I'm actually touching my camera right now. My Sony ZV-E10. Welcome Neka squad, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neka and I am back with another video. As usual, y'all know I gotta leave y'all with the motivational quote for today. And today's motivational quote is, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I just want to say Happy New Year to you all. We made it to 2025 and I am so I'm so grateful to be alive. I'm so grateful for a lot of stuff and I am so grateful that I'm able to do this video today. I invested in myself. I got me my first camera. Guys, and I am excited. This year I'm gonna go after everything that I want. I'm gonna stop procrastinating. Like, I wrote me a whole bucket list of things that I'm doing this year and I am standing on that. This year I'm dedicated to growing my YouTube channel, hence my reason for getting me this camera. I did go to Best Buy to try to pick it up, but they didn't have any in store at the time, and so they told me to order it online. But I came home and I checked Amazon instead. Y'all know I'm an Amazon girly anyways. Guys, look at this box. Like, I went wild. I spent a lot of money and I'm about to show y'all. Let me kind of like sit because I'm on my bed. I'm about to show y'all what exactly I got. I'm gonna open this last, but I'm gonna open this big box right now and just kind of like show you guys the camera, everything that I got. Like, I went wild. I am excited, y'all. Oh my gosh. Take this out of this box. This had the SD card that I bought. It's a 1 terabyte SD card, so that way I won't like be running out of space for now. I'll put the link in the description box below so you guys go check it out. Whoever is like interested in buying their own little camera or who's ready to buy their camera. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that came in this camera kit box, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. All right, these are some lens set that it comes with, and all these stuff are new to me, so I'm basically gonna have to figure out how to use them. Lens are in here. Oh, they're tiny. So those are the lens set. I'm just gonna open the boxes. There's also this hand grip stabilizer tripod. Let's see how that's looking. Ooh, get these out, and this, I guess, moves up and down like this. Really? You're just gonna bust in on me doing a video? Really? Perfect timing. This is the 40.55 professional telephoto lens. Ooh. It's really tiny. You see? This little thing just like screws onto it. Look at that. This is the wide angle lens, 40.5 millimeter professional wide angle lens. Look how tiny they are. So cute. Like, the little pouches they come in are so cute. Just to let y'all kind of see them. And the reason why I chose the Sony ZV-E10 was because of the interchangeable lens. So if I do want to buy like extra lens and stuff for it, I'm able to buy those and change those out. And that was my like main reason for choosing them. I also did like a whole bunch of research, and it's one of the best cameras for like starter. Like, so if you're starting your YouTube channel, it's like one of the best ones by far. Like, a lot of people are using them along with the ZV-1F. So yeah, definitely I think I made a great decision on buying my first camera. This is the charger, and it's for like home and in my car, so I can charge my batteries while I'm in the car. This one's for the car. So this goes on top of this, and then the battery goes in here. The battery. And I also ordered extra batteries so that way I'm always like with an extra battery. Say like if I had a road trip or something, yeah, I have extra batteries. There's a whole lot of stuff in this. Like, I think I got my money's worth. So this is the filter kit. Let me open it real quick. I'll show you guys how they look. These are so cute, y'all. This is so cute. Now it just makes me wonder like how tiny that camera actually is. Like, I'm gonna have so much fun with this camera, y'all. This is a tripod. And I'm kind of glad that I got this because I was gonna buy a tripod on the side, and I decided like I was gonna wait. It's like this and opens up. I'm pretty sure it extends. Yep, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool tripod. This is also like a little handheld tripod. It is super cute. The color, everything. The head also does rotate. I have one of these. It's a little bit bigger, so I'm kind of like glad that this one's so tiny because I'm able to like just hold it in my hand and it's just have my camera there. This is also like a little kit, a deluxe starter kit for use with digital camera. They gave me a photo and video bundle. I can activate my profile. It's a photo editor. It's a 1-year license. They gave me a whole year photo editor and a video editor. I'm gonna be checking this out. I also have 2 extra 64 gigabyte, and like I told you guys, I did order this 1 terabyte one. I wanted to get the same exact brand so that way it was no issues. So yeah, this is the 1 terabyte that I ordered on the side. And then these are the 2 that came with the bundle. And this is a card reader. You guys can see a USB card reader. I plug this in, I put my SD card in there. So this is an HDMI cord. And then this is a deluxe starter kit. Includes a mini tripod, 5 sensor swabs, cleaning cloth, 2 universal screen protector, memory card wallet, lens cap keeper. And I think this is the camera bag holder. So this is where I put all my stuff so I don't lose them. So all those little items that you see, that's all over the place. This is where I keep them in. A cute little camera storage bag. Let me check this back first before I go to the moment of truth. This is the microphone that I bought for the camera and a SD card reader. Oh my gosh, and it actually did come with a card reader already. I got 2 card readers. That's crazy. This is a glass protector for the camera. And the moment I've been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Let me open it. It's so tiny. I'm actually touching my camera right now, guys. Y'all, my Sony ZV-E10. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared to touch it right now. It's like, it's not even funny. I've just popped this off. This is how it's looking. You guys can see. This is the back. This is the microphone right here at the front. Comes with another extra battery. They did give me a battery with the camera, and then the kit that I ordered also had that extra battery. So that's 2 batteries so far. Let me see if I can get this off. Yes, so this is how the camera would look by itself, and this is the starter kit lens that it comes with. Line it up. And then yeah, that's basically how it is. Isn't it so cute? This comes out so I'm able to, like, say I'm recording videos, I'm able to see myself, or I'm able to turn it if I'm taking pictures, or I could just leave it in here like this for pictures. But I'm most excited because I'm using this for my YouTube recording, so whenever I do record videos, it's gonna have it like on here, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna turn it on. Battery. Okay, y'all, so I got it to turn on. I got it on. It's me recording myself. It's kind of close to the face, so I'd probably set it up to where it's like away from me a little. But there's also like the wide angle lens, and I think we can adjust it. Just showing you guys a little bit of the angle that I want. And this would be the main angle that I recorded. All right, I'm gonna use one of the 64 gigabyte to just like record me right now, just so I could like compare it to like my phone, to how my phone's recording. So I'm gonna like insert that little clip in the video, just gonna like let you guys see the difference or hear the difference. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and click record. It's recording. Hi guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me show you guys real quick. This is it. And then the light is on the front to show that it's on and it's recording. But this is so cute. Hi guys. The quality of this is already so freaking cute. Like, what? That is amazing. Towards the light. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I am so glad that I bought this. Let's check the autofocus on it. What do I want to autofocus? Let's do my 1 terabyte thingy. Let's see. I want to focus on this. Whoa. I don't know if it's on. I gotta go to the settings and see. But this is amazing. My hand is getting real tired. Having it like so close. Now I'm able to like give it a wider angle with this. Yeah, I'm just so excited that I got this camera. I am beyond excited about this camera. Like, you guys don't even know how happy I am with this purchase. I am just so grateful and excited that I got this camera. I am so glad that I invested in myself. There's so much to learn from it, which I will play around with it, watch a couple of videos, get like the best settings for it and stuff, and I will be recording. Like, y'all, you do not even know how amazing this is. I am so proud of myself for this. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out right here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow, and I'll see you guys for sure in my next video.